Here we go. Kenny's box of Dominion Hockey. Good luck, sir. Why, thank you, Bo. Oh, I'm just kidding. No, let's get it. So, as long as the football is filled by the time I finished breaking this box, I'll consider it good. All right. He said, I'll let you know if I do in a minute. Okay. Yep. Try to keep it a surprise for you, Kenny. The best that I can. Alrighty, Daniel Sedin, number to 199. Daniel Sedin, 199. TJ Oshie to 199. Let me go here. Autograph rookie of Dylan Olsen. Dylan Olsen, autograph rookie. Chris Kunitz, jersey to 100. So far, I think you're doing all right, Kenny. Because there's one jersey. Let's go to the back, see what we can pull out of here. I'm trying to make this climatic for you. Number to 50, Matt Fratton. Matt Fratton, number to 50, Mammoth jersey. Okay. Well, there's a good one. Number to 100, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, number to 100. That's a gnarly patch. Rookie patch auto, number to 199, Alan York. Lord, that's just nasty. And I don't know what it is yet. I made a guess at where it was going to be, and it was numbered 5 of 25. It looks like Adam Henrique. Oh, good. Good. 3-color, rookie patch auto gold. Numbered 5 of 25, Adam Henrique. 3-color, rookie patch auto gold. That's the first 3-color we've hit on him. They've all been ones. So, Kenny, very nice.